How to code a constructor and attributes. Constructors are generally used for instantiating an object. So, one great example of it is the init method, and it just initializes the or assigns value to the data members of the class. So, in case of the init method, it's a constructor, and it is always called when an object is created. So for that, let's see a class person here, and we write the constructor in it. And the first is the default constructor. In this, we just write self. We don't write any parameters. So we write self, and then within this, we write self dot name is equal to chain do. Now I'll create a method over here, print name. So print name self, and I'll print the attribute self dot name. And now I'll create the object of the of person, and then I'll call the method of the class print name, and then before that I'll give the name. Now I'll run this code, and it writes name is Jane Doe. Now let's take the value the name and give it as a parameter. So the next type of the constructor is parameterized. So in this, we take the parameter name, and while creating the object of person, we write within the bracket the name of the person, John Doe, and now self dot name will be equal to name. So now when we run this code, we get name is John Doe. Now, if you want to skip the value, if you want to skip making a method just for writing the name, I can directly access the variable outside the class by writing print person name is object dot name. So we write the object dot the variable that we want to access, and you can see person name is John Doe. So that's how you work with constructors and attributes in Python.